Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. I'm in a dark room to demonstrate something you may not have ever seen. This is the HoloGear basketball. It is black when you look at it in a typical light, but shine the holo glasses and you get a whole different effect.
It's a holographic basketball. By shining the glasses light or any flashlight, including the one from your phone, this was so much fun. Turn your phone light on and watch what the HoloGear ball does. This comes with one ball and one set of glasses. You get this reflective effect. Now we're during school hours, but this summer when it's dark out, we will have some fun night games with this. In the meantime, it works great in the basement as well as outside. What a fun and fantastic ball. This is a giant hit in our neighborhood. So for the summertime when they play well into the darkness, this is perfect. Just pull out your flashlight on your phone or just use the glasses so you can see. And the game can continue on past sunset. This is a great gift for athletes of all ages and all skill levels. We thoroughly enjoyed this as adults, and our kids did too. Get an eye-catching HoloGear basketball to shoot your shot.
Put even more fun into basketball. I highly recommend this. That's my point of view.